Não, e tu? Também não. Jeito de rica, né não? Por quê? Ah, sei lá, pelo cabelo. Já viu rico namorar pobre?
What? What is that? Is that algebra? Okay, we're going to solve this with algebra tiles. Point. So first, you copy the equation in a paper. The first step is to ubicate your quadratic term. That is right here. It's an x and a 2. Then the second step is to add your linear term. That is right here. It's at 6x. Now you have your tiles in here that are x in the long side and 1 in the little side. Now get all your tiles all together. The third step is to make an almost perfect square. Let's get to it. An almost perfect square with your tiles. Now put it all together. It's a square, not a rectangle. Remember that. So you put your x squared and then you place your x's when you think they will make it in a square. 3 on the upside and 3 on the downside. The fourth step is to identify the missing pieces. So you start placing the missing pieces that you think will complete your square. And if you had a perfect square having a perfect angle and the same length in each side, then you have a perfect square. In this case, it is x plus 3 in one side. And if you look closely, in the other side, it's also x plus 3. Now that you have that, you can start filling your blanks with the information that you have. So we know that the pieces that we added are 3 in one side and in the other are 3. We multiply them and we get 9. This number is what we get in the constant term. Now that we have that, we can see that we have 2x plus 3. So if you multiply them, you will get x plus 3 squared. That is your next answer. On x plus 3, then the x plus 3, you multiply them and then you get x plus 3 squared. And that's your final answer. Okay, now we are going to do the exercises. The exercise is x squared minus 8x. We need to find the constant term. So the first step is finding your quadratic term. That is right here, the x and the 2. So we place our tile, that is x squared. We put that in another place, and the second step is to find your linear term. That it's negative x 8 8x. So we place our x squared, and then we count our 8 long pieces and put that next to it. Now what we need to do is put that on a side and proceed with the third step. That is making your pieces a perfect square, or almost a perfect square. Because remember, you are finding the pieces that the square needs to be a perfect square. So you put that your x squared, and then you place your x exponents on the side. Try to put the same pieces on one side, and then try to put the same amount of pieces in the downside. So you're kind of making a square right now. We made a mistake here, and we put 3 on the downside and 4 on the side. So I'm making here the missing pieces, but I'm missing one long piece in the bottom. As I said before, the fourth step is finding the missing pieces, the little ones. So now I'm putting the long piece on. Now I'm putting 4 pieces times 4 pieces, so I have 16 pieces that the square was left. In one side I have x plus 4, and in the other one I have x plus 4 as well. So now I know that I have a perfect square. So I put x squared, I put the original equation, x squared minus 8x plus 16, that is my new number. As I said before, the square was missing 16 pieces. And I put what we have in both sides. X plus 4 times x plus 4, that gives me x plus 4 squared, that is the same as x squared minus 8x plus 16. And now I have resolved all my problems.